Good afternoon to all of you. And this particular video, I am going to tell you one best option strategy what you can implement with a view of US election result. So one great amount of volatility is expected. So the strategy is like this. You need to buy 26,000 call options. Quantity will be 1,500. It is a call load strategy. Along with that, March expiry, 27th March 2025 expiry, 25,000 put option you have to buy 75 quantity, and it is a high risk strategy, and this particular strategy will have loss around 20,000 if the consolidation happen, or the you can say if the price doesn't move. However, if the price move to 25,300 or 25,500, that level, then the profitability will be phenomenally great. It will be 40,000 to 60,000 rupees profit it can earn. It is a high risk strategy, delta load strategy, and it is call stuffing strategy. So use this strategy or track it, and it is a special strategy, high risk strategy, only useful during this kind of election volatility, and many reasons are there to take it. You can explore all these things in our course, and if you have our course on futures and option, you can able to learn what is a call load strategy, what is a put load strategy, and other things. Currently we are running the Diwali offer. Today is the Diwali. Our offers will be expiring today. If you want to make use of this opportunity and take the courses and software at a deep discount price, utilize this opportunity. Visit our website, go to the product link. Here all discounted prices for the courses and softwares are given. Procure it, learn this kind of strategies, and make money in the market. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.